This is an LED bulb, or light emitting diode bulb, and these are the most energy efficient light bulbs out there. They've been out for probably almost 5 years, and they are the most energy efficient and mostly chosen light bulbs when it comes to lighting. It's the best solution than a compact fluorescent light bulb, because the problem with these contain mercury vapor, and mercury vapor is very, very hazardous, and it's dangerous if they crack. But then, well, they used to be energy efficient since they don't get hot, but they still contain mercury vapor, which is sort of like the cons about this. It's sort of like 50-50. But there's the better solution, and that is the LED bulb. Now, a lot of people might be wondering, what is inside of the bulb? Like, how does it illuminate? Well, this is what we're going to find out. Well, what I managed to do is I managed to use a lot of force and take the cover off of it. And it came off very well. So, that was pretty cool. So, let's go ahead and put it in our socket, into our lamp socket here, so we can turn it on as it is, so we can see what it looks like. Here we go. So that's basically what it's like with the cover on. And now we're gonna take off the cover, and you can see there's the cover. And now if you bring it up, maybe I'll just take it out of the socket for you. And when you take off the cover, you're met with, drumroll please, ta-da! You're met with this beautiful LED board. You can see all the ones, and you can see it's a complete ring. So that's how it produces light. So let's put it in the socket and show you what's like naked without the cover. Let's bring it closer to it, because if we turn it on, it only just shines up at this angle. Oh, and it does, because with this on, it can shine in all degrees, but without it, it only aims in one direction. So, this is what it looks like. If we move it here, this is it. Let me get it brighter. Let me bring it up closer to it so I can show you it. Isn't that cool? I know it's so bright, that's why you see that extra ring. It's a completely bright light. So yeah, really cool, and you can see the inside of the light. So that's a really cool thing about these, and that's how you can make them. And that's just a cool thing about these. So let's go ahead and put our cover back on, because without it naked, it dims it down a bit, even though this thing is a pretty bright light. And that was pretty cool. So, that's a cool thing about these. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and lights out.